Okay, so you have 15 irregular present tense verbs, and you have 7 go verbs, and those are just the ones that in the yo form they go to like go, like trago and trago, and on these 3 you have to remember that you have changes from E to IE and all these. And the rest of the endings are just the same, well, except for these. And then you have all your other irregular verbs. So you just need to know how they change and everything. Like this one, it's the E to I, and that's the U to UE.
Let's do that for each one. So let's go back up to the top. Right, what's irregular about, I said?
U.
Just the yo form. So all you need to remember is hago. Okay, so I said to do or to make. Poner, the only thing irregular? Good, so that's why she labeled them go verbs there. Poner, careful that it's an ER verb, so it gets EMOS. That's to put or place. Traer, careful that it's not just a go change, but there's an extra I there. So traer is to bring, but traigo for the yo form, and the rest are regular conjugations. Salir. The only thing irregular is yo form again. Okay, and so salgo for this one. Careful not to confuse it with any of the other ones. And IR verb gets an IMOS. And then venir, to arrive, or to come somewhere. Not only is it a go change, but also a shoe. So inside the shoe you change E to IE. Good. And then tener is the same thing. You just have to be careful with making sure that we have. Oops. I messed that up, didn't I? I looked at it wrong. Sorry. I apologize. I was looking at one and thinking about the other one. The verb venir and tener que, all the same exact thing. So go for the yo form and IE for the rest of the shoe shapes there. So that's 7. Do we have all 15?
Yes.
Okay.
I have another sheet.
Everybody okay with eat and dad? That were very similar, just void.
These are just the other ones. And Sabir and Conocer, you need to know that one's to know information and one's to know someone. And be sure on Sabir to have the accent on this part.
A very clear accent on that E for sick. If you don't have the accent, what would it be? A reflexive pronoun, so you need to make sure you have the accent so it doesn't look like something different. But those two not only know the meaning, like she mentioned, but also know that they're only regular in the yo form, so the rest are regular conjugations.
And then for gustar, it's always me te le no less gusta unless it's plural, and then it's gustan.
Unless what is plural?
Unless the subjects.
Not subject on this one. Everybody remember what's weird about gustar?
You gotta look for what you're like.
What you're like.
Mm-hmm. So the first part, metele no sin les, agrees with what the subject is. The gusta or gustan, and if it helps, you can always just write an N in parentheses so that you know. So on. So that you know that whatever it is that you like, which would come after the verb, if it's plural, whatever the thing is that you like, if you like more than one thing, then would be gustan. So if it's we like pizza, then it would be nos gusta. But if we like pizza and hot dogs, nos gustan. Good. Okay. And I think we skipped over introducir. very similar to conocer, just a ZCO at the end, irregular negative form. Everybody okay with those 15 verbs? Any questions?